Yeah, I can't tell. We got the truck today. The 8-foot bed. Alright, so we got everything so far. I'm dropping this radiator hose, just dragging it across the ground. We got the K&N filter. We got some brand new clamps because I kind of hate dealing with the clamps that already come on this.
I thought you said yesterday that C1 was overnighting the crossover.
No, I said that they're gonna call CJM so that way they can overnight the crossover.
We've got some more bad news.
What else?
Your oil cooler sandwich plate
Has the wrong O-ring,
the O-rings are way too big.
but I think I could make it work.
Oh.
I don't want to cut those and silicone those. That's pressure.
They sent
That's not like the fuel
ones?
Where's my bagel?
It's on air suspension.
Where's our food? Can we eat now?
He should know that. He should know that.
It's from Mello. He doesn't. He's learning from us.
Yeah, I would. Look at the size of this.
Hey, hang on. Did you know that you can get like a filter just like this
size,
that
but
will
bigger.
fit
Yes.
and bigger?
Yes.
So
Like
no,
a
that's
Titan
not
one.
that obvious.
Yes, it is obvious.
No, it's not. Unless you're a scientist, you wouldn't know that.
Only Romelos do that.
Why?
I could have probably done the same.
See,
fucking thing.
I went to ask, hey, can I get a K&N oil filter? What car you got? This one? Thank you. I'm sorry. I forgot about the sandwich plate.
He's trying to make him feel bad about. I don't.
Fuck you,
so much
Brandon. I bought the wrong diff last night too.
You bought a diff?
Bro, he went
Why?
ham last night. Run
This is
wild.
how you
with.
should do yours.
I got an
That's how I
oil
built my
catch
account.
can.
I got a radium, by the way.
I got
so
a
fuck
radium
It's
oil.
green.
No, it's
No,
black.
it's
with
all
green
black
lettering.
with green lettering.
Yeah,
It's fine.
what car?
It'll
what
be
car's
fine.
Green?
It'll be
this
fine.
little cover?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Catch
'Cause
can.
If there's a sinkhole there.
Engine cover,
what's, like,
paddle
there's good
shifters,
chance of-
manual
Oh, no,
steering wheel tilt, LSD. I just got one. No, I got the right one.
Lord.
Brandon, those will cut that bolt right off.
No,
so
they
be
won't.
careful. They will
Bullshit.
cut anything. Ask Chad.
Yeah,
He'll
they're
tell
called
you.
cut-offs.
I bet they will.
Where's my seat? What the
What's C?
Who f***ed with my workspace?
Alright, so we lost our audio, but you guys see what we're doing here. We're actually taking the air tray from the front of the car, and we're actually going to try and keep it on here. A lot of people take this off, but this is actually used to direct the airflow into the intakes. Now, we're going to use it to direct airflow into the blower, just a few minor cuts, and this thing should fit just snug. Now, on the fuel side of things, you guys know that we actually did not get our crossover piping. Now, what we're going to try and do is, you guys see, we're looking through this plethora of VQ37 parts in Chad's garage, because we're trying to look for a lower plenum. Now the lower plenum actually will be able to fit the CGM fuel rails on, and our idea is to get those fuel rails on so that way we could take it to a place called Gearhead Performance to where hopefully they can measure out and make a crossover line for us instead of having to wait for CJM. So you guys see we actually have Ronnie over here putting the fuel injectors into the fuel rails and mounting them up to the lower plenum. Now this is a pretty easy plug and play. It fits pretty snug. There was no shaving, no cuts involved. Fit just fine.
How you doing, man?
How's it going, partner? I got a lower plenum to a VHR VQ37. I got some fuel rails from CJM, but they forgot to send me the crossover line to go from here to here. And I was wondering if you could make that for me.
Yeah.
AN steel braided crossover line.
You just got to make a loop.
Is there any way we could get it close to here as possible? Because the block is literally like.
Well, here's the problem. You can't have a real short piece of hose, because if we do 90s,
See, if you did 290s,
that's tough. It's not enough.
Yeah.
You can't do it like that. It'd be cool, but it won't.
Yeah, there wouldn't be enough for a hose. There wouldn't be enough space. There's like literally less than an inch of space for the hose. Damn. Alright. CGM did just call Z1 Motorsports about him. Apparently they're going to send over the crossover lines today, but I do not know how long they're going to be here. They're probably going to end up being here tomorrow, which still kind of sucks, but hey, I mean, it is what it is. Hopefully we could just change the oil today, and that's really it. We already got the fuel pump in, the fuel lines in, and yeah, I guess we're kind of done for the day. So I don't know, I'm gonna go back to the house. We're gonna see what else, and yeah.
Ready, Ronnie?
What bolt?
The one that goes to the sandwich plate?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
Now we can fill it up.
We'll have to check for leaks.
Yeah.
But your oil cooler
It's on.
installed.
Spin that bitch. Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, I just wanted to do it for a second so you could.
That's nice. Now I just want to hear the blow up valve with the motor dying. I want to see some flames and we'll be all good.